Asajaya State Constituency. Asajaya is a state constituency in Sarawak, Malaysia, that has been represented in the Sarawak State Legislative Assembly since 1991. The state constituency was created in the 1987 redistribution and is mandated to return a single member to the Sarawak State Legislative Assembly under the first-past-the-post voting system. History. 2006-2016, the constituency contains the polling districts of Empila, Biliang, Tanju, Tanjung Tambarat, Batu Blat Tambi, Sui Sembir, Sabandi Matang, Sabandi Ulu, Sabai Moyen, Ribam Moyen, Ulu Moyen Ledeng, Serpan Ulu, Asajaya Ased. 2016 present. The constituency contains the polling districts of Biliang, Tanjung Tambarat, Tambi, Sui Sambir, Sabandi Matang, Sabandi Ulu, Sabai Moyen, Riba Moyen Ulu, Moyen Ledeng, Serpan Ulu, Asajaya Laut, Tebun Sampun. Representation history. Election results.